That dino from space. Hello.
One day I will switch the boxes to something else. One day, remember it. But now look at that. Look, I can restart my game. I can. The main module is being built, and while it's being built, its HP also increases. So when it goes max, it's built and it's ready. Yeah. Maybe I'll have special legacy mode where the game will have boxes. By the way, is this a real box? Steel Soldier. I don't know the channel, but I like the box. It may be. Let's disable the debug. Also stupid. This is like, I know that someone actually said to me that there is a guy who works on the proper like Unity like debugger for the game, like as a playset and stuff. It looks way better. Oh my god, look at that. The boxes look even better without the colliders. Wait, this is actually cool. My game looks great without the colliders. I should use that more often. Also, I'm out of sparkling water, so I will drink energy drinks. That's all I have left. And alcohol, but I'm not drinking that. Also, yesterday, this game was released. And I played first mission. And I don't know. That's good game, solid strategy game, but I still like Beyond All Reasons and Age of Empires way more. They had before, but the blue shift was shifting them to blue. You won't believe that. Also, I forgot, the SpaceDB, did they finish their stream? I didn't watch till the end. I started preparing. Oh, I just received my bank card for the company. It looks super cool. I mean, not because like a credit card and stuff. It's cool because it has my name, Dino, and my company, Dynabit. And you know, they kind of write my name on the card and company's name, and they like exact match, kind of like Dino. It's super. I don't know. It makes me like, no, I'm happy like a kid. And the company has actual money in it. My money, sadly, but not earned one. So yeah, now I have my own company. And I think we are trying to now get VAT, so I could create a house call. So I could get my... It will be actually second payout from Twitch. And if I will get my VAT in time, I will try to get that payout to my company. Twitch now pays out, as I found out, like $50. So for all those many years that I was streaming, I actually got $100 tops. And it's like 6 years I'm streaming in total. Mostly ads. Like, what? Yeah, I will be rich. How many accounts do you have? Twitch can ban for that, be careful. At least make them for the one... How it's called? Not account. One... Ah, damn it. Let me remember. The words. Words are not in my head today. As every day, usually. Yeah, on the one mail. That was the word. On the same mail. Oh, that's actually smart, kinda, to have for every device different account. I used that before, like my mobile phone was kind of disconnected from the all the other accounts, like YouTube especially. But then Google came, hey, you know what? We will actually kind of combine all your accounts into one. Like, why? The purpose was to have them separate, and now they are like one. What the hell? Yeah, and nowadays I stopped using that, and I decided, you know what? I'm gonna trust one company that will store my passwords and autofill and like auto pre-fill them for me. So I found one. I had one, then I found another one. I had them both for free for some time, and now I think I'm using LastPass. Before I was using one password, and they kind of same. I don't know the difference. They both I kind of hate them sometimes, both, but I decided like, hey, if someone actually breaks my password in that companies, then it's kind of global issue. But before that, now I have different passwords for every single device, every single like account, every single like whatever presence in the internet. Not also mine, but for the some clients also. Dynabrain. Actually, we need that Dynabrain somewhere in the game. This looks cool. I don't know why I haven't disabled the debug before that. It actually looks better. Let's remove that hover. Let's actually make hover. I hate that I need hovering stuff. Yeah, and I cannot look for ass on the screen. Yeah, let's do that. Recover. Also, I hate this one. Like, why it does not show me? Let's score drone. Why you cannot? Yep. Let's use this one. And I will try to make it. Okay, how to make it hover stuff? Can you load proper palette size? No, not that palette. Oh, presets. No, wait. Oh, this is new. I don't know why. How? What was the button to open the palette? Load default palette. Yes, here it is. I remember one guy actually told that when you're using pixel art stuff, you can easily go by shadows and highlights and stuff just by going near colors. So usually the palette is organized like that. So if you have one color from the palette, you can just click nearby and you'll get the proper shadows and stuff. How's it going? Yeah, by the way, hi Barax. So I got my I was telling I got my credit card, my like not debit card from the bank, and it looks super cool. It has my name and my company's name, so it has like my name Dino directly above Dynabit. So it's kind of I know it looks super nice. I would make a screenshot, like not screenshot, but actually the photo of that, but it is like that, so it's over the number of the card. So I'm not sure, so I'm gonna do that. Yes, I paid my money to the company. So, and I paid not that much in general, in terms that I was prepared to pay, but I decided to go like small. So yeah, I have like micro company. I don't know why it's like in Latvian it's called like mikrouzņēmums, like micro company actually, which sounds weird in English. I'm not sure if it's actually micro shell. Yes. And also yesterday this game came out, Stormgate. So I played first mission of it. It's a bit not finished. Strategy. Like it fails and looks like StarCraft. Maybe something like better even than StarCraft, but for some reason like the visuals I don't like them. Still, Age of Empires and Beyond All Reasons, I feel like they are a better game for me than this one. It's like StarCraft. The guys from StarCraft actually created this game. So, and it just released, so you can watch some streams. Right now I'm having parallel some stream Stardeus, new patches out for Stardeus that we played out, and RimWorld, I'm not sure. RimWorld had something out. I'm actually eager to try this mode for the Stardeus that allows you to build in space and have spaceships and fights and stuff. Someday, but not right now. So yeah, it has mixed reviews. I'm not sure why. Why so fast? Okay, it was released. Okay, it's a no for now. Definitely. I mean, it depends. But there are like so many people that were like kind of eager to have this game and were playing this, like, you know, so passionate about this game, so they would leave a bad review. Also me, I would probably right now leave it like slightly negative, like middle to slight negative, because it's something not polished. The actual gameplay, the strategy element, is polished well enough. It's super cool. It's responsive. It's nice, but the actual kind of the visuals and the style of the game doesn't feel nice and doesn't feel like, how to tell it, like solid balance. I don't know. You know, when you play the game and there are like some different assets and some of them like stand out more, some of them stand out like less. So that the feel that I got from the game, a bit cheap. Like if I would do assets, the game would look like this. So worse probably, not that great, but still like I hope you understand what I mean. Lenore is actually very cool, beautiful game. It plays like Detroit and stuff like that. So you have chapters that you can beat different ways, and you'll get your stats in the end, which is, I didn't like it at the start, but it makes the games and missions replayable, which is cool. And it has some nice action, which something of the action I like, but it felt a bit GTA style action, so it had negatives, like a lot of people died, which I don't like. I'm actually curious, were there like actual events where, like, you know, there are like 5-10 people fighting and then cops come down and shoot them all, something like that? Is it possible? Because that's how the games usually have. GTA will have like thousands of games of citizens killed, regardless of they are good or bad. For this game, or for the LA Noir? No. Okay, for this game, yes. It is. Okay, I cannot judge that this is bad. Okay, there are some exceptions, obviously. But first of all, this is early access, so all the games, all the players who got this game were kind of pre-buying it, even though I think it should be free in the end. And also, they are really passionate about this game, so they were following this game for a long time. So the reviews will be negative from them because they're like, you know, they have really high hopes for the game, so the judgment will be harsh until the game goes well. So the starter reviews will be negative. Also, yeah, the visuals, I don't think that they are that good. The game runs super smoothly, at least on my PC, and all this kind of controls and feelings, and like it's like StarCraft 2 improved. But yeah, generally it won't be. I think the reviews will even drop a bit more on the full release. Then it should slowly rise up because it's the game like StarCraft, but it's new, so it should go up. About La Nuit, let's Google how it spells, how it's pronunciation. Can you? Okay, it's not okay. Noir, yes, noir. Noir. So I have that in my library. Oh, there's actually VR. Whoa, interesting. So Is it actually the same as Rockstar? Like, is it Rockstar? I think it was. Yes, it was Rockstar. So it has that. For my side, the only negative about this game is that it's like Rockstar every game, where you shoot a lot of people. That's the negative part. I hated that. I don't like it in most of the games, so I don't like GTA because of that. And for example, there was this game called Payday, I think. Not to the fullest. It's like half. I think it's half. I had no time. It was wait. It was probably I was in school or maybe university back then. So I played that amount of time almost instantly. 2015 last time. So yeah, maybe university. So it was like one time game. Basically, I spent like almost 10 hours in one go. Maybe it was like, you know, like 8 hours and then 2 hours, or like 2 hours and then 10 hours. But yeah, that game, it's really nice about it. Actually gives you the detective feel. None other game like that gave me such a detective feel. So you actually need to go, you need to investigate, you need to search for some clues. You need to speak with other persons and see their facial expressions and reaction to your questions. You cannot ask wrong questions. You should kind of know. You need to guess for the first time, but if you watch a lot of like detective movies and like read a lot of like detective books, maybe you will get it in the first time. I know that this game actually had some real private investigators playing it, and they nailed it, kinda. At least mostly. I don't remember. So they played few cases, and they nailed them, I think. So you can Google on YouTube like how private investigators play this game, which looks really nice. The clues collection is the same as Detroit and games like that. So you have an kind of area where you go and look and ask questions and stuff, and then you decide what to do. And hydrate, yes, I hydrating. I have energy drink right now. It's unusual for the games of the any style like that. So I really enjoyed that, and I couldn't stop for like you see like that amount of hours was like non-stop, like almost. Maybe I like launched it before and then I played it again. So it's the game for my kind of old days to actually play or replay that. There's also a game like that, like similar but in a bit different style. Was it Last Days? No. Police Stories maybe. Or this is the police. Oh yeah, okay, so this is the police. It's super cool, but it's not that detective wise. So you are all detective, you have like some amount of time left until you go to pension. And the mafia actually pays you, and you kind of need to balance between mafia, sending your man to like treat some stuff to make them maybe I need to make it one day. I don't, I kind of, there's many games I want to play and remember, but I keep forgetting about them every time. And like it's like, oh, there was like one dead game, and then I'm searching for it like for half an hour, and including my library size, and not only the library on the Steam, but other games, other like platforms. It's super annoying to search. Wait, there was another one, Police Stories. Okay, that one was simple. That's not the game. Yeah, that's fun one. I think it has co-op. One day I wanted to create a game like that, but I never did. Operator 911 was... Yeah, Operator 911 is same as this is the police. They are similar. But Operator 911 does not have a story, I think. Maybe it has, but it's like, you're actually an operator, you respond. you respond. But here, like this is the police, you do stuff. My first achievement probably was that I killed myself. Maybe that's not the achievement. Maybe it wasn't the achievement. So yeah, that's like it. Noir is quite impressive game. There are some chases even, and there is some shooting in the game, so not that much, but it's like in between cases or in between missions you will get some chase, some shooting, it's like some events, random events. I think they're randomized. Okay, there are like few Sherlock Holmes games that I saw. I played, I guess, only one, and that game was garbage. Like straight off the trash. I don't enjoy that. Sure. Oh. Yeah, I clicked C for some reason. Yeah, this one, I have all achievements. I don't know why. This game is bad. Like the show. I don't know, but maybe noir is close enough to the actual detective genre. About the Sherlock games, this is horrible. If you'll see that, I didn't like it like at all. The genre, the style, the cases, so yeah, this Coliseum is one of the best of the best games ever. Because it's one because it's too good game to play like when you need to go to work tomorrow or to have some stuff to do. So, you know, there are like many games that I actually love and would like to play them non-stop for a long time. But there's work, there's other stuff, so I'm not gonna how to explain it? I will try to have that experience postponed. To have like full, you know, full immersion into the game. Not willing to kind of spend extra time. Like this game, like it's session based. I can play one match. This is, I don't know. I maybe need to uninstall that. Like those games, like Captain of Industry, that's the Crust. I can play while watching something, or like watching YouTube or watching some, I don't know, movie, anime, whatever. Some Twitch, some other streamers. So I can play this and I can watch something. That's the other stuff. That's also session-based kind of games. And then there are like games that you need to, like for example, Labyrinth. Here I need to focus. I need to turn off my lights to have the full immersion. Yeah, I have this War of Mine. It also needs a full immersion, but it can be played on stream. So what else? Homeworld was the game like that, so I played it over the weekend on stream, by the way. So I played it all on stream. I have no idea what. Oh, I need to play competitive. Wait, I played competitive. Oh, it's maybe versus war games. Okay. Not today. Singularity. Okay, that's a skirmish. I played some of them. Oh, and hard difficulty. Okay, I need to play in hard difficulty in this game. I want to play this game to finish. Yeah, this game I cannot play because if I start playing, I won't stop. This game is session-based, so it can be played on stream from time to time. And so there are some games that, you know, I'm not gonna try and bother to play on stream. Oh, Enshrouded, by the way. Also, the game that I wanna... The Enshrouded and Valheim are type of games that I kind of wanna play, but they take a lot of time, so I wanna have free time to play them. Yeah, so I need more free time. That's basically it. I will play all the games in my library if I have free time. To have free time for streaming and playing games, I need to finish my game, to earn some money, so I could pay myself from company. Yeah. Any offers for my free time? Also gold on this channel. Actually, I keep forgetting how the nowadays how's it called? RMTs are traded. Yes, I have. And the company even have some monies to keep me afloat for a month max. Remember, if I want to pay salary, it's like huge tax. I mean, probably. Okay, no, my company is normal company, so the tax will be huge for the salary. So yeah, it's no. And then I got like pursued by government after that. By the way, crypto, there's no such thing as anonymized crypto. I mean, there are some cryptocurrencies that are anonymized, and you can try to use them and work around them. Like they're like huge deal about that. But they're like like quite a lot skillful people who actually know how to de-anonymize stuff. And it's easier every day, especially with AI right now. It's just to figure out who the person is behind this wallet is. I guess the special kind of government proficient guys know how to do it like in a single click. I was doing that, like figuring out who the wallet is and where it came from and stuff like that for like internal investigation purpose. It was like not the big issue. It was tedious a bit, but it's quite straightforward process. Oh, okay. So I saw that they implemented the 2 times critical hits, then they de-implemented it back, and that's it. My question was like for the spacetime DB is like, but what if you need to update the spacetime DB itself? Then the game will stop? So will there be a maintenance if they will be updating the actual spacetime DB? Or clusters of that? How they ensure that they can develop stuff while I'm developing stuff? Probably it has some like kind of tools to to deploy new version and then slowly switch new requests for the new version, because the module inside will be different. I still have no idea how that module works, even though they code it in WebAssembly, so they have Rust, but they move it into the WebAssembly. Oh, okay, so they have that. I mean, probably they will drop the time like drastically down sooner or later, because like, no, what the point of me updating my game without downtime if I cannot relay? So I need to rely on your downtime, basically. I need to know like and schedule stuff around your downtime, which is super weird. Okay, I was doing the highlighting. So how do I make a highlight? Shouldn't it be white or yellow or whatever color it should be? Can it be this color? Wait. Let's add a new layer. How to add a new layer? What button it is? This? Nope. I know what this button is. I'm sure that there should be a button here, but I don't see it. UI menus. Yeah, this is also another thing that probably I do not fully understanding how the model will work. I try to use that when they kind of allow to have a free thing on top of it. Yeah. They were telling it about me like last time I asked. It was like half a year ago maybe when they were just starting streaming. And Bobby promised to have an eco server up back and start streaming again and to finish his game also. Maybe it was even more than half a year ago. But yeah, that's server side stuff is not fully like I don't fully understand yet how it should work. I mean, I actually like the transactional stuff inside the database, which is super cool, and this is something that every game server side should have. But for example, if like regular folk would do the server like networking in the game, I would probably they would go and do like the built-in networking stuff, and this does not work. It probably won't be possible to use their database for that, because you need to deploy your own, how to call it. So usually the server inside those engines like Unity, Unreal and stuff is the same game. So you're basically launching the game but without visuals, but you're launching the same game that actually has some authority over some stuff, and like you can't modify the values because they're being synchronized and you cannot like do that. I hate that approach. So most of my games, like, yeah, most of my games won't have that. I will write server side manually with a purpose to kind of have a server specifically dedicated for the game without every extra, like, no, the stuff that I usually I won't be needing. Like, I don't need physics for the server, so the server does not need to calculate the physics. Why? In games maybe like Counter-Strike and something like that, you may need it, arguably, if you have power for it. But generally, I mean, if the guy flies up, you just have a check on the server, like if he moved too quickly, if he changed his position too quickly for like some distance, and that's it. So you kind of have behavior patterns to recognize if they're like valid or not. If the guy is falling, he will be falling. Maybe there will be some checks, you know, if the guy walks over the edge and then there's no physics and the guy knows about that and he would hack it. Yeah, it's mostly depends on the gameplay, but it is actually really nice. For example, if you play Tarkov or something, and I aim in someone's head and I shoot and the bullet flies out, and the server actually has the signal. Okay, guy shoots, and then server also shoots the bullet on his side and simulates it fully physically, so and the hit hits properly. But then there's this thing, there's like lags and cooldowns and whatever, so I will never get the proper shot because the time on the server and the position on the server will be different than the positions on my screen. So it's totally different, so mechanics. And usually that's why the networking is super hard. It's like incredibly hard, whatever you think about it, even though if you can implement it in your game in 2 clicks, behind the scenes, if you want to make it proper, it's in like ginormous amount of work. I know that I can do that. I did that before, so it's not something super hard. I didn't like do for bigger games, but I had it like for MMOs and stuff. So that's why I want to have my own server with kind of my own logical patterns and stuff. It's for example, like if I would play the game that is turn-based, I definitely don't need the engine running the server side. It's super. It will be stupid just having a server for game engine server. I would, but I need to finish any game before that, so not anytime soon. Hopefully by that time. They actually promised me that they will have a space-time Wait, that they have. They're working on it, and they will have the asset for the Godot. Because I was thinking like, hey, maybe I should try that just for fun on stream one day. And I was like, kind of looking at the API and planning like, hey, how I can use that. I had like, they actually dropped, I think, the keys, or maybe they had the button on the screen that you could like kind of have your own kind of virtual access. I forgot how it's called, like a demo version that you can like play with. And the guy actually said that, hey, we're actually working on that. And like, okay, and then I'm not gonna do that. I will hopefully I will wait for your own better one. Okay, how do I create a new layer? Maybe I can click somewhere here. New layer, Shift N. And when you die, you lose everything. And then you need to equip your helmet, a little like fork for cheese, and go again. And there are like cats all around you, hunting you down. I remember that funny story that I heard some time ago. I felt that it may be true, but I kind of didn't think about it. Like, why all the witches had cats? I mean, mostly when you read some folklore and stuff, the witches are represented like witch, broom, and a cat. Like, and usually the crazy ladies. I mean, okay, most wealthy ladies and crazy ladies had the cats, but the broom and stuff. So, as I understand, those ladies were cleaning their houses a lot, and the cats were hunting mice. So, when how it's called in English, when the plague came, they were like not having it, or like surviving way more, because the house was cleaner, and if familiar, yes, the house was cleaner, and the cats hunted all the mice, and mice usually had those I forgot how they called, the insects that were bringing the plague. So, and people like, hey, everybody is sick, but she is not. She's a witch. Burn the witch. And so the common trait behind them were cats, somewhat clean house, brooms. Vroom, vroom, vroom. She riding on the broom. Europe zombie. Okay, does it look shiny? Will it look like it's shiny? Knowing that I'm doing this lineup, I'm proud of myself. Save as normal hover. Save. Do you want to continue? Yes. And close. I hope it will be good enough. It should be good enough. Okay, let's go to my test level. Let's go to my build menu, and there should be a button. Wait, it was build mode. Yes, this one. Quick load. Yeah, this is... Why they're not showing previews here? It would be super nice. Build hover. Oh, not that bad actually. I thought it would be worse. Yeah, of course, it would be nice if it won't rotate around the like the center, but around the here. But who cares? Almost out of the drink. By the way, after the stream, I will try to actually order myself a capture card. And maybe UPS, I'm not sure. Because mine does weird stuff. The most annoying part is that it somehow powers off my PC instantly, which it shouldn't do. Maybe there's like random surges in between, but they feel weird. Okay, this stuff was built. I'm in space. Weirdly, even though I was waiting for the parallax, I still haven't used that. The new one. I have my own custom one still. Okay. So when my basic core module is built, should something happen? Yeah, probably. First rule, let's have health bars and actual bars always on in the ship module stuff. So I just want to see both of them. Maybe health should be hidden when I'm building stuff and if I did not get hit. Also, next step, I will allow myself be hit, the core module to be hit. Where was the hide show stuff? Okay. If build bar is here, then build bar, build bar, build bar. If house bar is not here, okay, this one I will ignore. Boom. And now let's go to the on build, whatever, on tags build. If it's built, then I'm hiding and I'm showing health bar. Else, if it's not built, I'm showing the build bar and I don't care about the health bar. I probably need to change some elements later on. Show the build bar too. Yeah, it doesn't show the health bar. Let's go to default mount and let's show it. Save. Now it should stay shown. Okay, it shows twice. Now let's fix that a little bit. So health bar, go a little bit up. Perfect. Yeah, the rounding is different. Screw that. Perfect. Now generally I can put them both a little bit down. Not that that actual style matters, but who cares? Okay, this one is built. This one has some values, and I don't see that. Oh, I don't see the pre-builds even. Yeah, the placeholders are not there. Okay, if I hit Ctrl Z and start again, it should be above. Yes, directly above. Let's keep it that. Now about the gun. Screw the gun. I'm not gonna think about it. Not now. Okay, so. Oh, I don't have a highlighter. Why the section highlighter stopped working? Maybe it wasn't it. Wait, this one works on the ship module. Why is this called platform? Highlight global emission, highlight platform. Can you show me where this code is used? Yeah, the annoying part that I cannot counter-click that, I need to find that. Okay, where I am. Script UI, good. Also, another thing that I super hate that this bar here. Okay, setup selection highlighter. Okay, so it knows when I click the platform. And this happens on ship ready. Event bus. Module selected. Wait, that's the selection manager. Okay, when it gets selected, I need to do some extra stuff. So element added. Select that append element. Okay, so that's what I'm calling. Maybe I wanted to have the selection manager inside, so it would select whatever I need and spawn the selection background. Can I do something like selection highlighter dot highlight platform, and let's give it the module. Will it fix itself? Because on build mode exited, click disconnect. Yeah, there's something weird happening. I'm not gonna go there. So click, I cannot click. Now it works. Oh, and it disappears automatically. Perfect. I also can still click. But the placeholder can just draw the default texture, but with high opacity, like having like huge opacity or something. Ads in 3 minutes. Hopefully I won't forget to run the longer ad to have 1 hour without ads. Pre-rolls at least. Okay, this is for the other time. Ship module is here. Now what's next? I've built this stuff is self-building, so while it's not there, let's say you cannot do anything. This is just an experiment, so now when it's ready, it should go to the like active mode. So now it's somewhere in the active mode. What does that mean? Let's close other tabs. Okay, so build mode and active mode, active state. Not mode, state. So if I'm in the active state, yeah, that's self-healing part. So to have that, let's add a collider with a hitbox. So it should be area. No, it should be, let's say static. I don't know. Yeah, there should be static. I don't care. Static body 2D. Perfect. And now have a collision shape 2D. Or maybe, is there a triangle? There's convex shape. Boom. 1, 2 elements. Okay, so, and of course I cannot set them like that. Would be really nice if you would allow me to draw the convex shape somehow. There was a ruler, yes? Yes. Like that. And it disappeared. Can you stay and tell me what values were just there? Okay, minus 64, minus 64. Okay, the next point will be, let's say 64 and 0. And the last point should be 64, 64. Wait, minus 64, sorry. Is it enough? This one? Yeah, weird one. Okay, why it still has this polygon-based shape are not meant to be used nor edited directly through the collision shape 2D node. Oh. I can of course have two other type of shapes, but okay, let's have collision polygon. Okay, that's what they meant by polygon stuff. So okay, let's delete this one. Oops, what's happening? Delete. Yay! That's how it works. Save. Okay, that's static body, and that's how it works. Now let's have a collision. I am a spaceship. And I collide with enemies. And not with the spaceship. Okay, let's see how I'll get hit by this fast-moving asteroid. Yeah, probably need to spawn something extra. It's weird that it still falls here, so it should... There is some sort of... Okay, it hit... Yeah, okay, it hits normally. It hit... Huh? Okay, maybe because the colliders are different. Okay, it looks cool. Okay. I like it. I don't like this. This is weird. I have a flying gun. Yeah, I will play with layer ordering later on. What? Okay, this is probably not correct. Because right now I'm thinking like, okay, what if I'm actually moving up By up, I mean by Z axis. So the spaceship kind of flies towards the player, towards the viewer. So it kind of flies straight out of the monitor towards you. So then it explains how those platforms can get damaged by the asteroids. But then, okay, let's not think about it. This is just a game. It should not be close to realism at any rate. Okay, so now let's do simple kind of collision mechanics, simple damage stuff. So yeah, we'll go to code. Let's have a body here. So on ready, var. I actually don't remember where I should print on ready. Reference. It was somewhere in below. No, yes, no, no, yes. Okay, it was up. Wait, this GScript reference is not the script style guide. Yep, here it is. On ready is below, but where are the variables? So let's go to here. No, here. So on ready is the lowest of all the arguments. So variable, and it's gonna be named. How is it gonna be named? Body. And it's gonna be static body 2D, and that's gonna be equals to static body 2D. Okay, now on ready. No, on actually going into the active state. Oh, I don't have a transfer state, so yeah, I will need a state machine just to have those kind of before and after things. Anyway, I still need to have a collision regardless of what state I am. So body.connect. Wait, body dot. How was it named? Signal. Wait, why only mouse enter? Okay, was it a collision? No. Wait. Why only... What? I don't understand why. There should be other stuff. Okay, maybe static body does not have those. Maybe that's why I need the actual... Okay, physics body. Show me the signals. Okay, you don't have any signals. Let's go then rigid body. A lot of forces, body. Okay. So those are specific for the body 2D. So change type. Static body, physics body. Why you drop that? Rigid body. And rename yourself to be rigid body. Okay, so new conclusion, I should use rigid body if I need that collider. So rigid body, and the name also should be rigid. Today I, by the way, managed to crash my NeoBeam and whole Linux. The reason was quite simple, I guess. Because it was in sleep mode for a long time, and then when it wake up and I started using the PHP and trying to do tests, it was constantly running Psalm. Not sure how it stands for, but it's basically the analyzer. So it was doing that, I think, for every time when I saved or for every time when I, like, once a while. And because the project is huge, some works quite a while, so it takes like few seconds more. So doing a lot of actions, it just would spawn a lot of processes. I think it didn't like know that it's already running, something like that. So it actually crashed because of that, I think. Okay, body. Body entered. Dot connect. And the function will be on body entered. Okay. It's gonna be body and it's gonna be something. I actually have no idea what it's gonna be. So, how to get asteroid HP? Let's do like if body is asteroid. Just if not, then return. And here, like, I will do if. I don't need actually to do anything. So body dot. Wait, it won't know what it is. Else var asteroid equals body as asteroid. Boom, now I can work with asteroid. So hide oh, so I don't know how much damage it does. Okay, what do I know about the asteroids in this game? Velocity, collectible scene, resource amount, impulse, parent node, clickable component, and damageable component. Okay, I know the damageable component. And then I can hit it, okay. And clickable, so I could click it. How it knows about the health? Asteroid. It's an asteroid. Okay, I can do something else, so if maybe not something like that. Let's do something more interesting. So if body dot has, it's gonna be, I forgot what it was gonna be. It is gonna be a node. So okay, node. So dot has child. Oh, that's why it's all red. Good. I forgot about the S, by the way, so. Body has child, so it was called health, I guess. Where's the asteroid? The vibes, hello! How is your vibes doing? How are your vibes? I'm speaking to everyone today about that. I'm getting my own. I got my own debit card for the bank, and it looks super cool. It has my name and the company's name in the same place, so it kind of like the company's name is Dynabits, and then my name is Dino, so it goes Dino Dino. It's like just good looking. I actually enjoy that, and happy like a kid. Yeah, that's stupid stuff. So you can actually click on that, like don't show anymore, but I'm not sure how it's working, like if it's actually working. Because it's annoying, like because it goes across all the channels for everyone. Unless you have other type of drops. And that's what I have right now. Okay, I'm not having it here, but I'm there's this game came out. Not this game. Stormgate, like pre-release kinda. So it's early access. It won't be finished in the next few months. So there's a lot to do. But it's finally playable. So people's gonna play it a lot. And there are some drops going, so those channels had another drop thingy popping up. So var, if not, then return. Else var health will be, that is a health component. Maybe let's do it this way. Oops, caps. Did you finish your old game? FNAF fun. Okay, I remember one was the brain and hoops. You had another one, but I cannot remember what it was about. I think you dropped me a video about it, or maybe a screenshot, and then I forgot. Wait, did you drop it in the Discord once before or not? Oh, by the way, I will work on my Discord soon. Fairly soon. Because I'm almost there. Okay, that's not you. That's you. That's some tutorials and stuff. Another tutorials that Rocky didn't make yet. Okay, no. No one's there. Yet. What is FNAF? I heard that for some time, so I'm not sure what that may mean. I have another. Okay, I have a browser. Okay, Five Nights at Freddy's. That was the game. Now I know. Wait, was that the game with shooting and running, or was it? I know that I didn't play it for some reason. I kind of missed it. Do I have it? No, I don't. Oh, they're like, there's a lot of those. I remember there was kind of multiplayer, something like that, where some guys were running and looting and searching for stuff. I think I played demo. Not sure if it was Five Nights at Freddy's. Okay, but it looks... I never played it. Sadly. Sadly. Okay. Health, body, dot, get child. Get child. As health component. Why can't I get child? Oh, it wants an index. Get node. A node. Get that one, gets it by index. Let's also find child. Finds the first descendant of the node whose name matches pattern, returning null if match. Okay, so maybe I should find child. By the way, I like this naming. That's actually what I would do. So get is by index, like by concrete number, where you know the exact position, and find is actually when you need to loop through the stuff. So that makes perfect sense. So find child health and as a health component. Now I know the health. What I can do with health? Can you change health, damage, die, get current? What the hell is damage? Okay, that's neat, but I will do get current health for damage to take. And it should be integer. Now next I should tell this thing to die. Okay, and before that I will take damage myself. So health points dot current value change. How do I do hitting stuff? Okay, alt value, current value, int. Okay, let's just take damage. So I will just manually remove the point. So dot add value, and value will be negative damage to take. And maybe like this. And everything else should happen somehow automatically. And of course I forgot to place the block that would kill me. Okay, let's see. It should crash. I think the game will crash. Nothing happened. But before something happened. Wait, why they're not colliding anymore? Huh? Oh, because it's rigid body. I changed it. It's not. It does not have a collider yet. Not collider. Not collision mode. I of course, yeah. Thinking about it, it probably should be a static. Because the stuff that hits gives you damage, not that you decide how much damage to take. You just apply the damage structure. Anyway, now it should work. It's a spaceship and I collide with the enemies. Yes. And again, I forgot about it. Let's have an asteroid somewhere near it. Okay, asteroid, duplicate, move here, save. It's interesting because I duplicated it. Probably has the same values and all. If this one dies, this one may die. And it did not collide. Why? Okay, it didn't die. Why? There's no collision. Collision mode, disable mode, remove. Make static. Maybe it's disabled or something. Come on. Why you're not colliding? As in 4 minutes. Wait, did I run the game? Why there's no collision? Why I don't see the collider? Okay, maybe it's below, so. But now I won't see it definitely. Because it's rendering from top to bottom. Okay, that's why. That's why I don't see that. It got destroyed. It's self-annihilated. Nice. Okay. So that's why I cannot have a rigid body. Yeah, okay, let's revert it then. And also let's see if I see the collider. Let's see if I see. Okay, it still flies away. Boom. It's gone. Can I make you static? I think it was possible. But it's not here. Maybe input? No. Deactivation. Can sleep. Sleeping. Freeze. Maybe this is how it should be. Okay. Let's see.
The name of my game is called Two Nights at Osso's and the name of the animatronics are called Osso, Coelho, Polo, Rasposo.
What? Animatronics? I don't know those. Wait, I clicked the wrong button. Let me Google that on side screen. Oh, that was their name? Really? I didn't know that it's their name. I wanted to play this game for so long and I never played it, so I kind of forgot about it. But okay, it actually showed me animatronics also, and it actually showed me this one. Oh. Okay. Quite interesting idea. I tried to learn Spanish, but then I gave up. Quite almost instantly. I would say... Okay, I'm not getting the hits here, so... Okay, I'll start the ads, and I will be right back. This stuff should die, but it does not wanna die. Also, let's remove the colliders, collision shapes. Okay, I'll be back. Hello, I'm back. And we have a new chatter. Wait, how to transition back? Okay, my OBS sorry, OBS Stream Deck broke for some reason. Oh. Made some push-ups. No, pull-ups. Yes, pull-ups. That's how they're called. Could you get in? What do you mean? You already in. Okay, I'm not getting any damage. And I'm also not getting any error, so something is working. But I'm not sure if it works correctly. So, first of all, let's see. Brain collision. Yeah, basically I will see with what collision there is. Maybe that's not an asteroid, by the way. But I'm checking for the... how it's called? Not for the type, but for the... if it has... Okay, nothing happened. Nothing has happened. Okay, You broke me. You already in. Or I don't know what you mean. Everybody who's here is here. By the way, eating is good. I would probably need to eat soon enough. Probably after stream I'll get something before sleep. To get those extra calories. Yeah, not you. I'm too lazy to chase and to catch and to get any collisions probably. So, oh wait, it may be because of this. It's called rigid body, so it should be loaded in. If it's as a hint, it's gonna be disabled. If not, then I'm going here. On tech, I'm already connected on body enter. So it should work, but it's not working. So that's a general magic. Maybe it's not on body enter. Maybe it should be on body something else. No, on body enter. That's it. Okay, the lure. It's gonna take a while. So right now I'm just making a basic prototype space idle shooter kind of game, which doesn't mean a lot, and it won't do kind of a lot of stuff. So my end goal, like forever dream, whatever, it's like to have a universe called Going Space. You kind of the IP, something like that. So it's gonna be Going Space, and there should be multiple games. The first building block and building step of me learning how to do games and how to generally finish them will be this one, Going Space Idle. Idle just because it's idle game. The end goal would be a Going Space 2D or something like that, MMO where you play as a character. You can build your own spaceship by blocks, like block by block with all crafting and all the stuff, skill leveling up, where you will later on fly the spaceship with your friends or with your kind of colleagues, whatever. Like it would be hard to control the spaceship alone because there won't be any like windows or like something like that. So someone would navigate, someone would actually shoot the turret, someone will do something else. So that's how the game should be played. So you won't see your spaceship from outside, kind of that. So, and that's gonna be the end goal in the future. But before that, There will be some like minor games in between. Some of them will be related to the Going Space universe someone want. This is the first game that I'm actually trying to create and figure out why it's not working right now. So, general idea, you have a space station somewhere. You launch your spaceship that you kind of pre-build, pre-configure before that, and it makes a loop. Loop means a level around the sun, around the star that you're orbiting. And depending on the kind of how you aim it or stuff, it will be like basically levels where you fly from point A to point B, kinda, return back to your station, and in between you try to survive and collect as much resources as you possibly can. Also, while doing that, you may build some other like stuff on your platforms on the spaceship, so you could survive. There will be bosses, there will be like resource collection and stuff. Then when you return back to your space station, you can improve some technologies, you can improve something else, like actual kind of idle game loop. And in the end, you can like sell your spaceship to aliens for some technologies, like give it to some I don't know, higher captain that would fly your spaceship on its own and then share some resources like for extra profits and stuff like that. So that's gonna be a reset, as usually called in the idle games. So that's globally the goal right now. And I have all the building blocks, all the possible ways already done. And I just kind of decide how I want to make that, because like Godot doesn't have interfaces and I have trouble doing that. I'm quite proficient, at least I hope I'm quite proficient in the software development. I've been the actual like software developer like almost for 20 years, close to it at least. So yeah, that's a lot, and I'm working on the. So I have kind of knowledge of how to build software, like for last like couple of 5 years. I guess maybe more. I'm working on using PHP as a backend developer. So there's like this clean architecture style and stuff like that, and I try to implement it here. Because you should treat a game as a software, but it's not like that. And Godot doesn't allow you to do that also that easily. So like not having interfaces actually breaks me multiple times and like hard. So I'm trying to figure out other approaches and how I can overcome my actual struggles and problems. I hate doing this stuff, for example. Oh, it crashed. No, it didn't. I don't know why it was closing so long. So I hate this stuff. Like, has child? Like, so I will be asking it, so it would loop through and search. Wait. Oh, there's no such function. Oh, that's why I'm not. No, I should get a hit regardless. Huh. So I'm just not getting an event. So yeah, basically that's my struggle. So that's why I'm trying to make a simple game right now, publish it. I already, by the way, created my own company, I have all the stuff to publish the game on Steam even. I just need to have a game. The first game will be on itch. This game will be on itch, maybe for free, hopefully for free. And then I will kind of try to go from there somewhere. Because next thing I will work on my website, I will work on my visual stuff on stream, because this avatar Dinosaur X can actually move on the spaceship with the screen and stuff, but it doesn't work properly right now, so it's disabled. There will be some chatbots. I currently disabled all the chatbots. I have only one that tells me the current song is what song is playing and stuff like that. So a lot of stuff should go soon. It would be sooner if I wouldn't have a day job, but I need to get money until I will be able to get money by building games. This is weird that I cannot click this. But this one is not called, which bothers me. Okay, this is on ready. So here, this rigid body is already done. Maybe because it's static. Why am I not getting the event? Again, no events. Okay, let's click here. I'm doing Bondi interconnect. A method when collision with another physics body 2D or tile map occurs requires contact monitor to be set to true. Solver. If true, the rigid body will emit signals when it collides with... What? Why is disabled by default? What? This is first when it does not emit the signal. Okay, that... Okay, if I just click and screw that, I will click here. Collision, and let's have numbers here. Okay, I hope it will work. It doesn't care. Why? I constantly having this problem. Like every time when I play with physics in Godot, I'm getting this. If true, the standard force integration like gravity dynamic will be disabled for this body. The rigid body will emit signals when it collides with another body. Note, by default the maximum contact report is set to 0, meaning nothing will be recorded. See max contact reported. Okay. Tries to predict where a moving body will collide. Okay, that's something that I don't need. Okay, let's not have a disabled mode. I don't know how it works. It collides, but it does nothing. Sleeping state changed. How do you do it? Max contacts reported. No. Let's not have that. Let's maybe... Okay, maybe if it's frozen, gravity and force are not applied. But only gravity and forces. Okay, for body that is always frozen, use static body 2D or animatable body 2D. Okay, freeze mode. Kinematic body freeze mode, similar to freeze mode static, but collides with other bodies along its path when moved. The body is not affected by gravity and forces. It can be only moved by user code and does not collide with other bodies along its path. Okay, so maybe it's not colliding. So maybe that's actually an issue. Boom. Nothing happened. Absolutely nothing. And that's an area, by the way, so... But it is colliding. It hits and it starts rotating. So the real issue is not the asteroid. So asteroid collision shape. It has whatever values. It's an enemy. It reacts to the other things. Process mode. Why it's like here? I don't care about it. Nothing is extra set. So only mass. There's no parent. There's nothing. Only constant velocity. This is probably something stupid, something really dumb. Probably because it's not moving, that's why it does not receive the collision. Okay, let's have it back. Watch the... Okay, now it got a collision. So only object that moves gets a collision. Okay, Godot for... What? How I got here? Oh, maybe I restarted the game. Godot 4. What I was typing? Static body 2G. Body entered. Manual by others means such code. When any body is moved, it is teleported to a new position without affecting other physical body in its path. If it's not desired, use animatable body instead. Okay, what the hell is animatable body? Choose a physical body that can be moved by external forces. When moved manually, it affects other bodies in its path. Animatable body can be moved by external forces, but can be moved manually by other means. Okay. Okay, let's go to physics body. That's an abstract and it does not know when it's being. With collision exceptions. Add collision exceptions. Remove collision exceptions. And that's it. Okay. Let's go to rigid body then. Can be adjusted via lock, rotation, freeze, and freeze mode by changing various properties of an object, such as mass. You can control how physics simulation acts. If you need a right integration, like a linear velocity of a rigid body, when often come. Instantiation demo, 2D physics platform demo. Okay, let's try this freeze. Okay, if true, body force and gravity force are not applied. And also, probably the collisions is not. Set to body's behavior when frozen. Okay. Freeze mode. Okay, a static body freeze mode default. This is not affected by it can only be moved by user code and doesn't collide with other bodies along its path. Okay. Kinematic body freeze mode, similar to freeze mode static, but collides with other bodies along its path when moved. Okay. Now What about that collision thing? Also, yeah, there was a breakpoint. That's what. That's why it stopped. Stop it. Also, let's disconnect. Remove that. So, contact monitor. If true, the rigid body will emit signals when it collides with another body. Note by default maximum contact. Okay, can I? Is it control click? Okay, let's just go open documentation. If true, rigid body will emit signals when it collides with another body. Note by default maximum. Okay, body and okay, requires contact monitor to be set to okay. Emit when the collision with another physics body or telemap occurs. Requires contact monitor to be set to true and max on the report to be set high enough to detect all the collisions. Okay, body denote if it exists in the tree or the other physics body 2D or telemap. Why by default it's off? Maybe that's how the new Godot works. Okay, let's see if it will explode and give me bonus. Okay. Non-existent past child. Okay, good. Now let's go body, find child. Is there like anything like has? Find parent, find child. Has node. There's has node. How does it work? Returns true if path points to a valid node. Okay, let's change it to the has node. Okay, maybe let's do it differently even. Let's have it as like this, and if there's no health, then I just stop. Question is, will it fail if it's null? Yay! And I got myself destroyed. Also, I'm curious, like every 5 seconds I should repair? No? Okay, I won't. Yep. Okay. If it will be health, something like that. What the outcome will be? It should be null. And then the question, like, how null as something is treated. Okay, it's nothing, so I'm not doing anything about it. And there's no even the issue with that. Good. Collision, let's remove that. Damage the current health. Let's go. Okay, every 5 seconds. Let's have it every 2 seconds. I will get an HP. Now let's get to my basic ship. And let's tell myself that I have 70 health points, by the way. That's a lot. Okay, let's have 700. It stayed not full. In addition to all of that, I need one change. Can it be done? Okay, if I will drop percentage, it won't show anything. When set through, the progress bar indicates that something is happening, but does not show the field percentage or value. Interesting how this will work. Oh, that's how. The field mode, begin to end, top bottom, yep. Minimum range, all the other stuff. Sadly, it does not allow to show values. Okay, no, let's improve the healing ability. And I just need to figure out if it works or not. So self-heal power will be... Wait, it should be 0.2 as it was before, but I will just go to my basic ship and tell it to be 3. Yes, start. And it heals. Yes, slowly. Just it was too slow because 0.2 is like 1 point every second. Every 5 seconds. Yay, I will die soon. Okay. Now technically I can get 0 HP in my game. And I cannot go negative. But it is negative, I guess. Okay. Current health. Current amount. Wait, it brings 0. Why? Oh, actual health. No. That's the current amount. I need to print this one. The get value. Wait, not that one. Get value. Okay, let's wait until I die and see if it goes negative or not. $460. I'm dying, 50% HP. It's already looking like a game. A tiny bit. Okay, dying, 10. Okay, it got destroyed before the final hit. 16. Okay, so it can go negative. Okay, now it's slowly appearing back. Okay, I don't wanna have in the game right now a death screen because it would mean the game is playable, but before that the game is not a game. Technically, when you can die in the game, when you can lose, it's almost a game, and if you can win and lose, that's totally a game. Which I'm not aiming to do right now, so just for integrity's sake, let's try and figure out if I can make my build power self-heal. How it was called? Body entered. Okay, so it allows to go negative. It can go over the top, but it can go negative. Technically, if var current health, and that's gonna be integer, so if current health less than 0, print you died. Explosions. And before that, let's actually set the current value of current health to be 70. Save. Now I should die before even it gets built. You died, and then explosions, and then I'm getting healed slowly. Okay, before all of that, maybe I should change the stage. Or maybe not. Let's not think about it. So 700, good, save. Also, let me check. You're eligible to get glitch mod fog shader. Okay. Good. That drop still work. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, now I can take damage, which is fine. It auto heals me. Let's now go to my base core module and have another state. And the active state should actually build a drone. Also, let's call it self-building drone. Sneezing a lot for some reason. Sorry. Okay, the super is called, everything is here. Null state is default state. Not before that, let's actually tell the process is in null state. Wait, not process, current state. Equals null state. Just so it would skip its default value. Maybe I can even call init on it, but yeah. Yeah, the button won't work, of course. Prestigious Emperor. That's the name of the song. Weird. Is it really? Yes? Doesn't sound like Prestigious Emperor. Okay. Here I'm actually healing myself, but this, I'm thinking that the health will increase only when the bot returns home. So you would need to heal yourself. I mean, maybe there will be auto healing ability or something, but not right now. So let's have a build bot, something function building bot state, and of course delta. No, I need delta load and pass. So after I'm finished with myself, I need to go to build bot state. So where it is, if it's built, then I go to build bot state. Active state should be not anymore. Okay. Do I have a bot in the game? Drone. They're called drones, not bots. Drone. I have a drone and a worker drone. And okay, who is the drone? And who's the worker drone? Okay, worker drone is same as a drone. Okay, so I don't need to think about it a lot. Current health, max health, build point, and all the other fancy stuff. Okay, drones don't need the building bar. Probably. Can I build drone remotely? That's the question. So can I put the drone somewhere on the map near the spaceship, and then someone will fly and build it, and then it will start flying around? If yes, then it's same as a ship module. Okay, what attributes ship module has that it shouldn't be a ship module? Probably none. Okay, character body 2D, so it cannot nest anything else. It has a target, it has a current health and max health. I can work with that. And building point, whatever that is. On 3 exiting, set target, no. Okay, that's just to be cautious. Okay, first of all, then let's start with basic core module here. I need to have a link to the bot, so export var drone of type drone, and it's gonna be null by default. Okay, so next is when the game starts, building bot stage. If drone, if not drone, then drone equals new drone basically. Also path. So I need to create a new drone here. I need to instantiate it. Okay, I can have access to it, or I can have a holder thing. Okay, let's add another node to D here. Maybe mark to D. Marker. Drone place. Ready var drone place is gonna be marker to G, and it's gonna be equals to drone place to G. Okay, I have that. So the drone is actually a recipe of some kind. It should be a resource. Let's go and create a new component. Not ship module. Yes, ship. There's components, there are ship modules, and something else, something extra.
Tired, weak, and maniacal, but still I can't let go. Emotional suicide, some things you never know. I wonder if my hunger's kill the weak, or does it hide? Some things get lost.
How to call the folder? I will call it objects right now. Maybe they're just drones. Then create new resource that's gonna be called. Ooh, I forgot how it's called. Ship module recipe. Drone or drone, let's have it like that. Ship module recipe. Okay, so ship module recipe does not care what type of thing it is. So the name is stupid, but Okay, I will work on the name. Core drone. So scene will be quick load, something with drone. Worker drone, that's the only one. And the icon will be working drone. Yes. Required tags. No tags required. Actually, that's interesting. Will it be visible everywhere? Wait, it won't be. Because core module can build only one drone, so it won't be there. Yeah, it's not in the list. Okay, does basic platform has something? The tags. Types. Let's have it different. Let's have another resource. Type tag. And I'm gonna call it core. Okay, that's it. Interesting. Wait, will it allow me to quick load? Yes. Wait. Oh, I hate this bug. Oh my god. How I hate this bug. Stupid Godot. Why you not... Stupidly, if I just... I think it was if I just save it again. Click it and save it, then I go back. It should show me. No. I remember I did something. And it generated me new stuff. Because it for... This is such an annoying bug. Because when I'll have them a lot, it will be one of the worst. It will be the worst. Okay, I have a tag. I have a mount. Layer, mount, okay. Don't know why I need a layer, but yeah, the tag is core. So I can go to drones, I can click that, and I can require tags to be... It should show me a lot of other tags, which is... I don't know why it always does that. That's one of the most annoying bugs ever. Cannot call method show on a null value. Oh, you must be kidding me. How the hell? Health bar is null. How did you manage to do that? I created new stuff, so and it's part of the ship module. So technically I could lose them, but they're still here, so it's not that problem. On the basic ship, they're still here. On the test level, I won't see that. How? What? Why you disappeared? It's impossible. It is fucking there. Oh, I also misclicked. Perfect. Oh, fuck. One more time. Let's work. How it's null? It's not null. Fuck you. Damn it. Why everything is null? When you were called? Who called you? But it is sad. Also, where's the music? Why music stopped? Oh, yeah. Okay, today is not my day. Everything stopped working. Exactly at 10. Even though the stream fully works. Oh my god. Pretzel sucks. Why? Okay, tags changed, emit. But they did not change. They were like it from the beginning. Hmm. Hmm. I close that. Why did it drops the debug if you stop the game? Why? Why you cannot keep it here? Session closed. Yes, I know, but why did you clean it? So if it has tags, they are being set. If they are being set, oh wait, no, it connects to it. It connects here. Okay, stupid question. How the hell the event is being triggered? If it's only in init mode. I don't understand. I don't want to fix it with stupid Godot approach, like just make another if. Because this one also will fail. Of course, because it's not ready yet. Because it's not being prepared. How the hell you can call something on the class that is not even in the tree yet? Oh my god. I'm super angry. I hope this won't break anything else. And now I have 2 extra thingies happening. Okay, rise, asteroid, it exploded, it got damaged, I'm not healing myself. And I wanted to check that I can click and I won't see the tree. The drone. Why am I not seeing the drone? Show me the stupid drone. I would show you the drone. Why this line is here still? What does it mean? Use declared but never used. Yes, because I had no time. Because you broke. Don't use parameter. Yes, because I didn't have time. Okay. This stuff is being built and kind of works. And I kind of go to the build stage. So I can start building the drone. One thing that I want to have that if I click, I would be able to select what drone I want to build. So, oh, it's not in the recipe lists. Okay, so let's go to all ship modules. And let's add. I hate you. I should be able to build. Why I cannot build? Okay, first let's go to drones and drone, and it requires core tag. And when I go to my base module, okay, maybe it's somewhere here. Okay, tag size core is here. Wait, do other recipes require to be stuff to be built? Okay, they actually ask for stuff to be built. Let's also add an element. And of course it's not here. Because why would it be? I forgot how I'm checking, like, should I have only one tag at least present, or I should have all of the tags present? Status tag, and it doesn't tell me the name. Okay, this one is built, and I can go back, of course, because why would I? And that's a platform, because that's a platform. Yes. Oh wait, that's a core stuff. So I'm probably not clicking on the object on it, on the core module itself. No, or I am. Wait. Let's check. So some fluid parameters. It has core, and it has build. Okay. So I cannot click it. It's unclickable. That's the point, I think. Okay, let's go to the platform. So they all have the clickable component, kinda. What else can be clicked? The mountable. Default mount. Yeah, okay, it has clickable stuff. So let's copy. And now I will go to my core module and I will paste it. Boom. Nah, okay, let it be clickable. Now, how the click worked? Should I call, or maybe this class calls something? Okay, it has event clicked. Now if I go here onto the ship module, oh, clicked on it, and clicked how do I know that I'm being clicked? Probably it was just calling something. Clicked, okay. It connects automatically. So now technically I should be able to build a drone on top. That's a ship module. That I selected to build. But problem is that it's not. That it's child. Some sort of child. Hmm. You know what? I probably will try and put this for tomorrow. Yeah, because I need to think about it quite a lot. It's something that is not fixable easy. I'll probably go watch something and play and work off stream. Yeah, this moment is a bit annoying. One of the solutions would be to have a platform, so you you select to build a drone, and the drone is it will be a ship module that has a drone. But I am the core. I am actually a drone, so there's no need to select what to build. Huh. And they cannot override it by having another interface, so... Yeah, I will think about it tomorrow. That's gonna be maybe even another factor. Damn it. Yeah. Anyway, good luck, guys. Good night, and nice rest of your day. I will do and try to work on that off stream, or also will watch something. Yeah, that maybe will require some refactoring or rethinking.